Today we will solve the problem number 29. Following figure shows the front and side views of a solid. Draw the isometric projection of the solid. So this is the front view, this is the front view, this is the side view. In the front view, we have the height 70 and length 30 plus 40 70. We have to make a square of 70 to get the front view. This is the side view. Side view is written on the left side of the front view. So this is called right side view. In first angle projection, we are using first angle projection. So what happens in first angle projection, we look from the right side, and whatever we see from the right will be written on the left, opposite side. That's what we follow in first angle projection. So this is called right side view. This is the view we get when we look from this side. So let us start with the isometric. This is the solution we have. We'll do it in the solid edge now. First make a square of 70, rectangle of 70 and 30. First angle is 30 and 30. Second angle is 150. Then again 70. Third angle is minus 150. Then again length is 30 and angle is minus 30. And height is 70, right? Height is also 70. Take a line command, type 70 and angle 90 degree. Then select the bottom rectangle. Hold the shift key and select all the 4 lines. Then release the shift key. Go to move command. Switch on the copy. Move from the bottom, this corner of the rectangle, and scroll on this vertical line till you reach the end point of the vertical line. You just see the end point symbol appearing there. Moment you get the end point symbol, left click and come out and right click. Then again connect the top face and bottom face of the rectangle. Now delete the invisible edges. This is not seen. In isometric will not show the invisible edges. Now join the diagonal. See, this length is 40. Diameter is 35. Okay. Now what we'll do? Draw a line, axis line. So select chain line. Line width is 0.13. From the midpoint, draw a line. Length is how much? 40. Length is 40 and angle is minus 30 degree. Then you have to construct an ellipse. We have a circle of diameter 35 here. So within the 35 circle, we have to make one ellipse. Go to line command, continuous line, draw one ellipse, 35, first angle 30 degree, then 35, second angle 90 degree, then 35, third angle minus 150 degree, then join this. Then join this corner to the center of the opposite edge. Again from this corner to the center of the opposite edge. Again from this corner to the center of the opposite edge. Again from this corner to the center of the opposite edge. Let us zoom it. Draw a line from the corner to the center of the opposite edge. Here there is a mistake, so let us delete this line. We'll redraw again. Draw a line from the corner to the center of the opposite edge. I think we have a problem with this line. Delete it and we'll redraw again. Then arc by center, select the arc by center point. We have to select the dark line 0.5 mm is the line width. From the point of intersection of the three lines is the center, and this is the radius. Draw an arc. Similarly, with this point of intersection of the three lines as the center, and this as the radius, draw an arc. Again, this point and this, draw an arc. Now we'll move this ellipse. Let us zoom it a little bit. Then select the ellipse. Select the ellipse. Move, copy on. Move from the midpoint of this line. Keep it at this one ellipse at this point, and one more at the tip of this line. Okay, this is the length of the line is that 40 we have done already. Okay, now connect the front end of the ellipse to back end of the ellipse. From here to here, from here to here. Now we'll delete the construction lines not required. Then trim the invisible edges. Okay, now this dimension, let us not show now. Then again trim this. This is also not visible, so trim it off. Then select everything and reduce it to isometric scale. Go to move. Within the move, we have scale command. Select it. Scale factor 1 is there. Change it to 0.816. Enter. Keep it here. So that's the end of the question.